guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today I'm here with one of my faves again, Nadula. Same packaging as always. Yes, same black box. Nice little packaging. So it has hair care tips on the back of the box as well. So let's open and see what we got. So as I open, I see the wig. We have 2 wig caps today. Extra elastic band and a scarf as usual. Wow, so for today's wig we have some gorgeous hair. We have, this is some Brazilian hair that we're working with. It feels so thick and luscious. Wow. So obviously this is some straight hair. As I said before, it's Brazilian. It's 26 inches. I can't recall how much is the density. I think it feels like 180, but I'm going to put the specific density, all the specifications in the description box as usual. Not new, and I don't know, so I go down this and see all the details. This is pre-plucked a bit. Definitely could take some more plucking, so I feel like I'm gonna go in and do that. But it looks good. You know, it's a lace front wig. It's 13 by 4. It's a medium brown lace. As you can see, it's a standard cap construction. It has a total of 3 combs in the cap. It's of a natural like 1B color. It's moderate with the texture, like in terms of flyaways, not a lot, you know. It looks pretty normal to me. It feels soft and silky. Shed check. Nothing. So right out of the packaging, I'm getting absolutely no shedding. Got 1 strand. Where is it? But yeah, so that's good. That is good. Very flowy, very nice. And this is 26 inches, but this looks like 27, 28. This looks good. So let's go on into installing.
Yo, Dre.
I went in and I plucked the hairline somewhere. It was a little too dense for my liking. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with applying this. I'm using my olive oil, grip gel, ultra hold, and my Fix It Super Hold spray again today. No, me not ditch the got to be. Calm down. I'm just enjoying these 2 products right now. You know, that's all. That's all. I want nice bone straight hair today. So what I'm gonna do, since I'm using the gel for this install, is I'm going to have to cut the lace in like 3 sections. So like here, because then I want to be able, I'm gonna apply the gel in sections to make it easier. I usually just use 1 layer of it because like it's short-term wear. Maybe if I'm gonna have it on for a longer time now, I'd probably do more layers of the gel. It's a really nice firm hold. So this is how it looks. It holds it down really nicely. Really nice, and it's less messy in my opinion, like, or I'd say the residual like appearance isn't as bright as the got to be. So I feel like that's one thing that's really making me come back to use it more and more. No, I'm gonna do, you know, my soups. It was really easy for me to pluck, to go in and pluck. Go in and flat iron this. It's really long and nice and flowy.
Yo, Dre.
So sleek. I know I show you quite a bit of straight wigs. I know it's just one of them that's drop dead gorgeous. Like, this wig is gorgeous. It didn't take much effort for me to lay it to get it really flat, you know. Flyaways, very minimal. One of the most annoying thing to me with that can happen with a straight hair is when it has a lot of flyaways. Like, nothing about that is going to look sleek, you know. You're gonna end up having to use a lot of product and stuff. And one thing when we rate with a lot of these straight wigs that I get, I don't have to apply any product to them apart from me applying the wax at the top here, like throughout the hair. I don't have to use anything to tame the hair, and it lasts. The sleekness is lasting. Like, I can go out for the entire day and it will stay sleek. So that's a 10 for me. This is definitely very silky. I love it. Nadula came through again with the quality. Yes. I'm going to put all the specifications to this wig in my description box. I can't stop running my eyes through it. That's pretty much it. Again, this not feel as harsh on my edges at all. So that's why I feel like for my next couple installs, I'm gonna be rocking with that. I have to just switch up things sometimes a little bit. Yeah. And I actually have another product from Got that I saw in the beauty supply store the other day that I bought, that I said they released for the Got to Be line. Haven't tried it as yet, so I need to actually try that. to see how that is. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like this video, share this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Yes, your girl appreciates the support so much. Thank you guys so much, coming from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, and just go and big up on yourself, go and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.